are you doing today? This is Damiola again. Welcome to my page today. How are you doing? So today I'll show you a snippet of what I've been working on. This week I completed a full phishing investigation. So from raw evidence all the way to a report to a CEO could actually read. So I checked the email headers. I ran every suspicious link on an IP through threat intelligence tools. So to check if they are actually malicious or not, I traced the logs on Splunk to see who have actually clicked the link or done anything, any staff that have actually clicked the link that was sent to their mail. So it turns out that this exact scam has been tricking people since 2022. During my research, during my analysis, during the findings, I found out that it was not even a new trick. So it has been like that since 2022. It wasn't some genius hack. It was a recycled template that still works because people click before they think. So that's one of the most important parts. We should always think before we click any link, because it could be malicious, it could be a phishing link. So from this investigation, I built 3 things. I built a full technical report of what I have found online after doing my threat intelligence, after checking everything, the mail, the links itself, and every other thing. I also created a staff training deck to help people spot the next one so that they will not click. Because after my findings, I realized that some staff have actually clicked the link. Then the last deliverables that I also created executive briefing, so to explain the business impact in plain language. If you are creating a report for a non-technical person, you should avoid using more of cybersecurity term. If you are sending a report to a cybersecurity personnel, now you know they could understand everything that you have written down in technical ways. But if you are sending a report to a stakeholder, you shouldn't use a technical terms. Make sure you use something they can easily understand, the impact on their business. There is one actual reason this email got through. It was because when I found it was because of just one missing email security setting. Just and this is it. Hadn't been that email security settings was done, it wouldn't have gotten to the staff, not to even talk of them clicking it. So this is what I worked on this week. I just want to encourage people that are just starting. If you are just starting out in cybersecurity or thinking about starting, I can see you. This stuff feels overwhelming at first. In fact, I got confused. I made mistakes. I had to go back and fix things more than once. It is this normal. That's the actual process. You keep going. You don't give up. And I'm rooting for you. We are in this together. Thank you. If you have any question or about phishing, or you have any addition, you can drop. Learned about this is that I want to share to everybody that always check links before you click them. They might be malicious. This is for everybody. If you are doing business, you just saw any mail, you just click it. You don't know if they are phishing links. You don't know if they are malicious. You don't know if they are not okay for you to click. Please always ensure, check it very well over on the link at least for 1 minute before you click it, so that you don't get hacked or your information doesn't leak. That's one thing I learned about this phishing project that I worked on. Thank you very much. If you have anything to add, you can add it. It was just a simulated case study for training, not a real company breach. But the investigation process and scam pattern itself, it is completely real. So this was not a company, it's just a case study that I worked on. Thank you. Bye.